Hey everyone, it's Julie. So I hope everyone's doing great today. I'm going to show you guys how to make fried sweet plantains, aka platano maduros, or some people call it maduros. Like if you go to a Spanish restaurant, on the menu, that's what you find. This is what it is. It's a ripe plantain, it's yellow. You can find it in the grocery store, and it's starting to ripen a lot more. Sometimes I leave it to ripen a lot more than this and it'll turn black depending on how sweet you want your plátano maduros. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so you need your sweet plantain like I mentioned, and also I'm using avocado oil or olive oil, but avocado oil has a higher smoke point, so you should do that one. So I cut the ends, and now I'm going to use this knife to attempt to peel it. See how beautiful they are? Beautifully sliced. Now in your large skillet over medium to high heat, add in your avocado oil and allow it to heat up, and then you're going to fry your sweet plantains. You want your sweet plantains to be golden brown on both sides. So you're just gonna wait about 5 minutes or so and then flip it over and wait for it to cook entirely on both sides. Once fully cooked, add them onto a plate and line the plate with a paper towel so you could drain off the excess oil.